Hello, welcome back. In this tutorial we'll be covering everything to do with Compositor. You will find this in the PDF manual under Studio Magic 2 Chapter 6 Compositor. So let's get started. I'm going to add a cloud to this image under Cloud Creator. Click on the Choose Preset. You've got many to choose from here. I'm going to scroll down, Cirrus High, select that, OK. Create. Increase the size, update, reposition it. So it comes with a layer mask, so painting with black, I've got 100% opacity here. I can remove any of that cloud from any part of the image that is overlapping here, just paint it away and have it going behind these rocks. Now we've got the same scene again, but it's at dusk, and I brought in the cloud, but it's too white. So the way that we're going to change that is go to Lighting Effects, make certain that the cloud is selected, Local, and we'll use Warming, and I've got it up here to 98%, Create, and now the cloud has been color matched to the rest of the scene. Now I've gone back to the original image and we'll bring a moon into this image. I'm going to go back to Compositor. So I'm going to go to Moon Clock, go to the presets, and you've got a number of different presets here to choose from. I'm going to use Full Moon, Create. I'm going to reposition it. I could resize it if I wanted to, Update. You also receive a high resolution backdrop moon. Let me show you what the difference is here. We're going to go back here, select the backdrop, OK, Create. This can be made very large with no loss of resolution. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Update. Now if we enlarge this one and compare them side by side, we'll see quite a big difference. Update. The one on the right, if you were to try and use it as a backdrop, you're going to have some image loss there, but the one on the left is going to work perfectly as a backdrop. For instance, we use the backdrop moon to make up this composite. Let's bring up a different image. Let's look at Over the Rainbow. Let's go to the presets, Half Rainbow, OK, Create. I'm going to reposition it, and then with the brush tool painting on the mask, I'm going to remove some of it on the bottom here. You can make any changes with the sliders, of course. I'm going to leave it as it is. We can add some birds in here. We have many to choose from. Let's scroll down here. I'm going to choose the pelicans. OK, Create. I'm going to reposition them, resize, update, put some blur on them. Let's look at adding stars with a different image. So let's go to the presets. I'll start off with the minimal star field. OK, Create. As we know, everything comes with a layer mask, so painting with black on the layer mask, I can paint away the stars from any part of the image where I don't want them. And what we'll do is we'll add some more stars to get some variation in the star field. So let's go back to the presets here. Let's go back up to the top here, moderate star field. OK, Create. And I can do the same thing here. I can just paint away the stars, but by adding two of them, it gives us a lot of variety of different stars in the sky. Let's look at lightning strike, bring up a different image. So let's open up the presets here and take a look at, start off with number 1 here. OK. We could resize it, make it a little bit smaller. I'll remove some from the bottom here, just using the layer mask. Now if you wanted to increase the intensity of the lightning, we're already at 100% here, you could duplicate the layer. Control or Command J. Let's add some more lightning. Go to our presets again. Number 8. OK, Create. Resize, update. I'll reposition it. I'm going to make it a bit smaller, and then select the layer mask and just remove some of it from over here. Let's review some parts of this section in the PDF manual that you receive. You can choose one of many clouds with the Cloud Creator. And with the moon clock you have so many choices, as well as the backdrop moon. And you can add different star fields to your images as well. It's so easy to incorporate lightning into your images. And that concludes this tutorial, Chapter 6, Compositor. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial, Chapter 7, Compositing. Thank you.